Uy, suspect doesn't look at his canvas! And he stresses out!
Uy, yung suspect walang oras sa sarili.
Uy, suspect! Suspect doesn't balance his OJT and thesis!
Grabe. Grabe, layo na ng takbo natin. Ah. Kalma lang, wait lang.
You know, the suspect trend is like running after our deadlines, especially when we have OJT.
True.
The hustle culture is crazy. We're students, and this is the closest we'll get to experiencing being a working student,
Oo.
and it's tiring.
Parang ano na, free trial na nga to eh, no? Like, next year, ganito na rin tayo. Pero,
Diba?
shit. Like, isipin mo ba yun?
Imagine graduating and then just getting into a toxic culture of working environment, and then we're just hustling and bustling, no balance.
24/7, so, nagtatrabaho ka, di ba? Like, grabe, ang draining siguro nun. So,
Are you even getting to balance your ACADS and internship?
ano, nagkakaroon na lang ako ng me time pagkasama ko ang pamilya ko. Pero, mas pipiliin kong walang me time kasi nga, tambak na tambak.
Either way, I'm dead and tired because of ACADS, especially thesis.
Oo.
You wanna get some drinks?
Tara.
Tara.
Ilan tayo?
Okay, anyways. I'm tired.
Kaya nga ako dun eh. Kakaikot natin dyan sa Nobel.
You have things to do, diba? OJT, thesis.
Oo, mamaya din. Gagawin ko yung OJT revisions ko. And ipapasa namin yung draft by tonight.
How are you naman with OJT so far?
Yun ang ginagawa ko. Kahit nga nung nag-video call tayo for thesis, di ba? Na ano mo, na nag-OJT ako that time. So, ayan, ang ano lang. Grabe
Well,
magtrabaho.
that's hustle culture. What else can we do about it, you know?
Oo.
Do you know anyone who suffers just like us? I know someone like she used to be a working student, and then she used to tire herself out so much to the point na every other week she'd be sick, or when I see her, she's really thin na, she doesn't eat much.
Ako din, actually, may mga kakilala ako na grabe kumayod. May mga times nga na ano eh, like, yung hustle culture, yung hustle mentality. Ano, madami na ako nakikita mga ganun
Yeah.
na ka-age lang natin, pero hindi na sila yung iba kasi, yung hustle culture nila mabot na sa point na hindi na sila nag-aaral, na
That's true.
puro na lang silang kayod, 24/7. Nakikita mo sila sa
It's giving every day a hustling culture.
Oo.
So what can we say to our audience about hustle culture?
Underrated opinion, but like, hustle culture is overrated para sa akin.
Hustle culture is pretty much like really glamorized. It's very romanticized. Like, just because people think like, oh, I have a lot of jobs, I have 2 jobs, I have 3 jobs, I earn a lot of money. What about your energy? What about your time? What about the sacrifices you go through just to survive? And then it's just paycheck to paycheck. Isn't that, you know, a lot to think about?
Gets naman na, yun nga, masarap sa feeling actually, yung madami kang pera, ganun. Lalo na kung alam mo naman sa sarili mo, sariling sikap yun, hard work, di ba? Hard-earned money, blood, sweat, and tears. But like, yung hustle mentality na nauuso ngayon is parang sobrang masyadong warp yung warp yung mentality na yan.
I actually read not so long ago that 7 out of 10 Filipinos struggle a lot even when they have enough jobs, and since they live paycheck to paycheck, they just limit the amount of groceries they get just to survive throughout the day. Like they pretty much live an unhealthy life. They end up buying noodles, crackers, and just very just food and things, day-to-day things that won't help them sustain a healthier life, you know.
Oo. May ano nga rin eh, parang nabasa ko rin yung same study niya. Yung parang same study data na yun, nasabi rin na siguro, 52% ng mga households dito sa bansa natin is nag-expect na yung future nila is will stay the same for the next few years. And like, yun nga. And siguro around 40% nag-hope, syempre, na hindi lang magstay but like umasenso rin yung buhay nila.
I think it's pretty important to let our viewers know as well that even though hustle culture is glamorized, even though hustle culture is romanticized, even though you earn a lot of money with it. While hard work is appreciated, it's not the best thing for yourself, you know. Taking care of yourself is more important because when you take care of yourself, you're gonna give yourself the chance to thrive. Di ba, Gab?
Oo. Ano talaga yung work-life balance. Mahalaga rin talaga. Kasi kung puro ka kayod ng kayod, wala like yung productivity mo and most likely mababurnout ka talaga na yun nga, puro ka kayod ng kayod. Tapos, yun, tulad nung may kaibigan ko na puro siya kayod nung last month and ngayon, burnout din siya ngayon.
Yeah.
Uuwi
Which
siya.
reminds me, we have a lot of things to do. We should go.
Oo nga, tara na.